I have no clarification to give. My only clarification is that I think they should look into their association and know how to behave. And there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable.
चलो एक सेंटेंस में बार बार एक शख्स जो है उन्होंने बार बार ये बात कही कि एक पॉइंट पे आप तैश में आ गए और आपने कहा कि मैं जिंदा गाड़ दूंगा।
उससे मैं कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो कहा होगा, लेकिन वो लोग भी बहुत बदतमीजी से बातें कर रहे थे और मैं अकेला था।
सर क्या आप माफी मांगेंगे बीसीसीआई से?
No, I think they should apologize to me for behaving the way they behave. I don't think they're extremely high-handed. Personally, if this is the kind of behavior that is meted out to people at their stadium, I personally would not like to go myself. So I don't know about this ban and stuff. Let them decide, because I think there is this extreme attitude of high-attitudiness, high-handedness when it comes to behaving. And all of them, you know, there were more people than you are right now who are rushing at me and aggressively. And I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable. And a lot of things they're saying on television is because obviously they're the only ones there, so they can say what they want. But I think it's unpardonable that you physically and manhandle children in the name of security. What are the kids going to do? We were not on the pitch. We were on the side. Actually, if the videos and photographs are there, they can check it. We were on the side. The kids were throwing ball and catching. And they caught these little girls and started pushing. And that's when I got really angry. I was on top actually, and I saw it from there. So I think it's unpardonable.
चलो एक सेंटेंस में बार बार एक शख्स जो है उन्होंने बार बार ये बात कही कि एक पॉइंट पे आप तैश में आ गए और आपने कहा कि मैं जिंदा गाड़ दूंगा।
उससे मैं कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो कहा होगा, लेकिन वो लोग भी बहुत बदतमीजी से बातें कर रहे थे और मैं अकेला था। तो वो कुछ 20-25 उनके ऑफिशियल्स थे। एक थे छोटे से साहब जो ऐनक पहने हुए थे, तो वो बहुत बदतमीजी से गालियाँ दे रहे थे। और जब मैं उनको एक्चुअली पकड़ने के लिए गया तो वो इन बाकी सबके पीछे छुप गए। टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू शो ऑफ। आई जस्ट गोइंग टू पिक अप माई चिल्ड्रन एंड आई थिंक वी नो व्हाट good behavior in public is, but I don't think that gentleman should have spoken to me like that at all, and that's completely unpardonable as far as I'm concerned. नहीं, मैंने किसी के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा. I think IPL के भी कुछ officials थे, तो उनमें से किसी ने मुझे कुछ कहा कि यार वो we will call the head here. I said, yeah, please call the head here and tell them not to speak to me like this.
ये भी है कि आपने cops के साथ misbehave?
No, the cops are trying to stop those people from coming to me and me going to them, so they were in the middle. But there was no altercation with them. Yeah, of course, they were trying to stop me from... There was a gentleman who's little short with glasses. If I see him somewhere giving one of the interviews, I would know. But I think what he said was completely unpardonable. And I don't think they're claiming that I was physically something with the security officer. As a matter of fact, they handle little girls. And I think that's completely wrong. I have no clarification to give. My only clarification is that I think they should look into their association and know how to behave when people are there. And they cannot every time, under the garb of having some self-imposed security rules, behave high-handedly with people, and especially with children. You cannot manhandle children, even I'm saying, and my kids were not in the wrong. There were 30 children. Even if the kids were misbehaving a little, you don't physically manhandle them. Finish.
सर क्या आप माफी मांगेंगे बीसीसीआई से?
No, I think they should apologize to me for behaving the way they behave. I don't think they're extremely high-handed.
सर में अगर वो कानूनी कार्रवाई जैसे वो लोग कर रहे हैं, आप उसके खिलाफ कोई काउंटर देंगे, काउंटर अटैक करेंगे?
No, I don't think so. I don't know what it means they're doing कानूनी कार्रवाई. तो वो जो करेंगे तो हमारे लॉयर्स उसको फाइट कर. I don't know how this goes. Sorry, अगर पाबंदी लगाई होगी तो कैसे जाएंगे?
आप जाना चाहिए?
No, I didn't go for the match. I went to pick up my children. I have no interest, and it does not change my line of being or my life by not allowing me to some stadium. There's no action from me. What action? I wish I can still find the gentleman who spoke rudely. And I just think it's completely wrong how they were behaving. बिल्कुल हर तरह से झूठ है. मैं हर रोज़ फैन से मिलता हूँ. मैं सैटरडे संडे को अपने घर से बाहर निकल के लोगों से मिलता हूँ. और मैच जीतने या हारने के बाद हमने कभी भी किसी से बदअखलाकी या बदतमीज़ी नहीं की. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, हमारी जो KKR की ओनरशिप है, या वैसे भी कहा जाए तो हम सबसे ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट्समैन लाइक हैं. हम हर टीम को मिलते हैं, अपनी ऑडियंस को जब हम हारते हैं जीतते हैं सबको गले लगाते हैं. आई थैंक एवरीवन हु कम्स टू वॉच द मैचेस, बिकॉज दिस इज़ व्हाट वी लिव फॉर. वी लिव विद द ऑडियंस. And it will be very small of me at this age and stage to look at another fan from another team when my team has won and misbehaved. I mean, it's very unfortunate what the gentleman is saying. And I think it's, like I said, I don't think, it's very easy to take on a celebrity and keep on saying what you wish to, and everybody will believe. It's extremely fashionable. Oh, he was drunk. Oh, he was abusive. Oh, he was angry. And, it's their association, so most of those guys were present there. They should even, as a matter of fact, look at themselves, how they were behaving, for no reason at all. I wasn't wanting to be on the field. I didn't want to do anything with them. I just came to pick my children up and I wanted to go. And I think what they did is completely wrong.